You paste your paragraph into QuillBot, you hit paraphrase, it spits something back. You copy it into your thesis, and somehow it sounds worse than what you started with. But you submit it anyway. Because you're exhausted, because the deadline is in 48 hours, because you don't have time to do this properly. That's the trap, and it's costing students their submissions right now. Here's what nobody tells you about paraphrasing tools. They don't understand your argument. They swap words, they shuffle syntax. And they produce something that looks different but reads like a robot had a stroke halfway through your methodology chapter. Your supervisor isn't fooled, Turnitin isn't fooled, and your examiner, the one reading your Viva materials, definitely isn't fooled. We've seen students fail similarity checks after using paraphrasing tools because the restructured text still triggers flags. We've seen supervisors send entire chapters back with one note. This doesn't sound like you. That's not just embarrassing, that's a delayed submission, that's a failed Viva, that's your degree sitting in limbo while everyone else moves on. At Thesis-Edit.com, we've worked with thousands of students, undergrads, postgrads, PhD candidates, who came to us after a paraphrasing tool made things worse. We know exactly what examiners look for. We know what raises flags, and we know the difference between text that's been fixed and text that's been disguised. There's a massive difference, and it matters enormously. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why manual editing is the only approach that actually protects your submission, and the 3 specific things it does that no tool can replicate. First, context. A paraphrasing tool reads your sentence in isolation. It doesn't know what you argued 3 paragraphs ago. It doesn't know your theoretical framework. It doesn't know that the word you used deliberately is load-bearing for your entire analysis. So, it changes it, and suddenly your argument breaks. Manual editing preserves your logic. A trained editor, or even you, reading it slowly and critically, understands the thread running through your work. You don't just change words. You protect meaning. That's something no algorithm can do. Second, voice. Your thesis has to sound like you, consistently, from chapter 1 to the conclusion. Paraphrasing tools destroy voice. Every time you run a paragraph through one, you get a slightly different stylistic output. Run 10 paragraphs through it, your thesis reads like it was written by 10 different people. Examiners notice this. It's one of the first things they flag in a Viva: inconsistency of voice across sections. Most students think the fix is to run everything through the tool so it sounds consistent. Wrong. You've just consistently erased yourself from your own thesis. Manual editing works with your voice. It tightens it, clarifies it, makes it sharper without replacing it. Third, academic register. This is the one students don't see coming. Paraphrasing tools default to simpler, more casual language because that's what gets a high readability score. But your thesis isn't a blog post. It needs precision, discipline-specific terminology, the exact level of formality your field expects. When a tool simplifies your academic language, it doesn't just change how it sounds. It changes how it's assessed. You can actually lose marks for register. Manual editing keeps your academic register intact. It elevates it where needed. It doesn't dump down your work to pass a similarity check. The biggest mistake I see? Students use paraphrasing tools on flagged sections only. They think, I'll just fix the risky bits. But patching isolated paragraphs creates inconsistencies across the whole chapter, and that inconsistency becomes its own red flag. If a section needs fixing, the whole surrounding argument needs to be reviewed, not just the sentence Turnitin highlighted. If you want your thesis reviewed properly, not just surface-level word swapping, Thesis-Edit.com has helped thousands of students clean up their work before their deadline, without risking their academic integrity. Real editors, real feedback, real results. The link is in the description. Go check it out, and if you're battling a specific chapter right now, drop it in the comments. Tell me exactly where you're stuck. You're closer than you think. Don't let a shortcut tool undo months of real work.